Okay, now we're going to learn how to add in base 5. So you're used to adding in base 10, but we're going to bring back this other base and show you how you add in other bases, because it really does work the same. Carrying the 1 works the same. All of these strategies that you know, they all work the same regardless of the base. So if we stick with base 5, remember the only symbols that we're allowed to use in base 5 are these symbols, 0 through 4. Those are the 5 symbols that we have. So you can see I did an addition chart and it's got 0 through 4. We just have to be careful because we can't say that 3 plus 3 is 6 because there is no such thing as a 6 here. So it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first row, the first column are pretty easy. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 4, if we add 1 more to this, it's not 5. Remember, this acts like your 9. It's going to roll around and it's going to become a 1, 0. So if 1 plus 4 is 1, 0, then 1 plus 4 this way is also 1, 0. And do you see how there's these diagonals in the table? We can use those diagonals to help us. So like 2 plus 2, that's 4. See the diagonal of 4s? And then we have, okay, 3 plus 2, well that would be 5, but there is no 5. It's 1, 0. And 2 plus 3 also 1, 0. So see how it looks like 10s, but they're not 10s, they're 1, 0s. So then if we keep counting, if you take 2 plus 4, that would be 6. Well, we don't have a 6. So it was 1, 0, that's our 5 in quotation marks. So what would come next? 1, 1. And we'd have a diagonal of 1, 1s. And then what comes after 11, right? It would be 1, 2. And if you go 1 more, it would be 1, 3. So it looks like you skipped a bunch of numbers because this 10 is kind of acting like the 5, 11 is acting like the 6, 12 is like a 7, and 13 is like an 8, essentially. Okay, so they look different. So the table starts out looking normal and then it kind of falls apart here if you don't know what's happening. So we can add, right? We're going to add just like we always do. We have 4, 3 base 5. We're going to add it to 1, 2 base 5. You got to keep those 5s on there. So when we add 3 plus 2, just go over your table. 3 plus 2, that's going to be this number, right? It looks like a 10. It's not a 10, it's a 1, 0. So you write down the 0 and you carry the 1, just like we always have. And now we have 4 plus 1 plus 1. Well, that's like 4 plus 2, right? You can either do 2 plus 4 or 4 plus 2, however you want to do it. 2 plus 4, that looks like 11, but it's not 11, it's 1, 1. So your answer is 1, 1, 0 base 5. We do have to keep that base 5 on it. I guess I could carry it down. So when you get stuck in the adding, you just refer to the chart that you have. Okay, let's try another one. 4 plus 1. If we do 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, you get this 1, 0 again, because that acts like our 5. So put down the 0, going to carry the 1. Now we're looking at 1 plus 3 plus 1, so that's like 3 plus 2. So if I do 3 plus 2, well, we've already seen that one. 3 plus 2 is here. That's a 0. Carry the 1. And then this is going to be 4 plus 2 plus 1, so like 4 plus 3. So if we do 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 is 12. 1, 2. So you get 1, 2, 0, 0 base 5. Don't call it 1200. It's just 1, 2, 0, 0 base 5. And again, we just use the addition table to help us out with those. So if you've never seen addition in another base, now you have.